Hello, welcome to our Masca showroom, your travel partner with different luggage material. PC material is the best strong engine, drop resistant and heat resistant, with the smooth appearance and bright colors. Choose it when carrying valuables on business trips. ABS material is tough and durable, scratch resistant, easy to clean and affordable, meet your daily travel needs. PP material is between PC and ABS material in durability. PP luggage is lightweight, water resistant, super high value for money, is the best choice for students. 3 materials, each with its own advantages. You can choose to accompany you on a wonderful journey.